Hi guys, today we're headed to Rocky Point Park at Lake Wright Patman.
That's hard to say, and we're pulling in right now.
So with that out of the way,
what is Hey, what's going on? If you're a regular viewer, thank you for watching our videos.
If it's your first time, welcome. I'm Carrie, this is Mark, this is Oscar, the little camping dog, and our channel is The Art of Rving.
Hey, make sure you hit that red subscribe button right over there if you want some fun and creative RV videos.
So now that you know who we are,
let's check out Rocky Point.
And oh yeah, and leave comments below on places you guys like to camp in Texas. Okay, so we wanted to give you an idea of our campsite. We are at Wright Patman Lake,
It's weird.
Corps of Engineer Park in Texarkana, and we are at B29, just to give you an idea. Nice, this is our camper. Nice level site. We didn't have any trouble leveling. Some people told us they did, we didn't. This is a great site. There's lots of large gravel. It rained a lot the other night, and this, I guess, filtered the water. It was awesome. This we've never seen before at a campground. It's awesome. Like, it's a table, like you're cooking, and you have all your stuff here, your hamburgers or whatever, and then here's the grill. So that was pretty cool. Okay, this is the fire ring. It comes up, I guess, so it's easier to clean out, and it's on a cement pad, which is super nice. Some people left their cigarette butts behind. We did not do that. Here's some wood over here that the people left before us, which is nice. So we have a cement picnic table on a really nice big cement pad, which is nice. So really, from the camper to the picnic table, you don't have to get super dirty or muddy. That's nice. It's nice because it's up on a, it's built up on the ledge. We have lots of room at this campsite. We're on the end. Like you can see, there's a whole little field here right before the road, and then the awesome playground over there. So we didn't feel cramped up close to anybody else. So we really like it here. It's a beautiful park. And like I said, we're at B29. Just FYI, if you're looking at a map or at the website, we really liked it at this location. But they're all beautiful.
The first night we were there, we took a little bike ride.
It's fine.
Thought we'd take you guys with us. You can see lots of big rigs. There's a few pull-throughs. Lots of big rigs. Lots of people brought their boats. You can see how close we are to the water.
And some of these are 50 amps.
Oh yeah.
So you can use 50 amps there.
Keep in mind, we're at Rocky Point. There's another campground also. This one is the bigger of the two.
A lot of people put their boats right there, so they don't have to put them on trailer.
Beautiful sunsets.
I mean, absolutely beautiful. This lake is phenomenal.
It's huge.
I mean, huge.
We should look and see how big it is.
I mean, it is really big.
It's giant.
Yeah.
They have an amphitheater. Obviously, it had some tree damage, which is a shame. It'd be fun to watch plays or whatever there.
It'd be fun, yeah. And here's a pavilion.
It's on the top of the hill. It got really nice breezes. You could almost see the lake 360.
And it's awesome. It'd be cool to have something there in the winter and have that fireplace going.
Oscar was loving running around.
He's loving it, yeah. Here we are on top of the dam.
I guess that's the control center right there. I'm not sure.
And they have this super powerful spillway. Okay, go.
So if you're not currently subscribed, we'd love it if you would go ahead and do that. Just hit the red subscribe button down below.
Follow us on Instagram. Follow us as we go along our RV lifestyle, so you can see what we do. Sorry.
If you're not currently subscribed, we'd love it if you did so. Just hit that red subscribe button down below.
Follow us on Instagram and also watch some more of our videos so you can see what we do, our shenanigans, and improve your RV life.
Thanks for watching.